Yo guys, what's up? So told me she's gonna talk jailbreak tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. She'll work up to iOS 14.8. So the first tweet is called IK Marble Demo, and what this tweak is the free version of like LK Marble with 70 high quality icons and respring. So pretty cool. This tweak is a theme called Enter, and beautifully Enter shadow icon theme with lock screen and telephone UI. So these right here. You have a light and dark theme. Let's use called Chrome++, and Chrome++, the tweak that makes Chrome easier and more convenient to use. This is called Crame OS. It's actually $0, so you can download it for free right now. And it's a born circular with a simple touch of 5 inclus AEFS anatomy effect. Cham OS changed the style of the theming on your device. So original based icon glyph and original icons, colors for non-dispersed, usually to find the right app, and transparent background, which fits well in any wallpaper. So pretty cool. Let's use a theme called Little OS and a sweet mini icon theme with alpha gray icon and perfect shadow. Let's use a theme called LK Marbled, and it's a double theme with 400 plus icons, 220 dark icon sends, dialer forward badge, 2 respring, some alt icon and requests. So these right here for it. Industry's called Emoji Attributes, various under the hood fixes for emoji display. Industry's called Contacts Extended, your contacts with more options. This is called LS Contacts and Contacts bar right from your lock screen. This is called GPS Faker GPS, and it's a tweak that allows you to change your GPS location where it's iOS 7.1.1 through iOS 14.2. Next tweet is called Circuit for YouTube, and it's pretty much a tweak that gives you additional features to YouTube. It's actually one of the top tweets that still get updated, as in the YouTube++. The original YT++ for Unlimited apps does not get updated anymore, unfortunately, but this one still does. So this is actually the preferred one to use with YouTube. So Circuit for YouTube, one of my favorites, because these features for the YouTube app. This is called Virtual Home 8 and 9, and what this allows you to do, use your Touch ID sensor as a home button, so it gives your home button as a break. So allows your quick unlock, which allows you to unlock or wake up your device by touching the Touch ID when the phone is on standby mode. This is called D Virtual Home, and my attempt to make it a virtual home for iOS 10 13 compatible, testing iOS 10 only. This is called What to Suit Tools, and library for What to Suit and WhatsApp tweets. This is called Android Bar, and it brings a feature packed version of the Android navigation bar to iOS. A widget called HK3 Time System Widget, compact static XN HTML widget displaying time, date, and system info inspired by the game Honkai Impact 3. This is called Frame, brings your iDevice to life with true video wallpapers. This is called AOD, iOS 12 to 13, cool always on display tweak. This is called Perfect Auto Lock Interval, and completely override auto lock time, different auto lock interval based on various device states. So it only supports from iOS 13 to 13.7. This is called Cocoa Top Toggle and Cocoa Top CC Toggle. This is called Era. Era is a tweak to give extensions to CarPlay. This is called Cocoa Top 64 and GUI process viewer for iOS 10 to 13 with 64-bit devices. So with this, you can pretty much tell what's using your most battery. This is called Custom Lock Screen Duration for iOS 10 to 13. Customize the duration before going to sleep on the lock screen. And I believe the last tweak is called Linear for status bar icons, but in the form of lines. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.